we guide you through how to import EML files into Outlook. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Outlook application and make sure it's fully loaded. Then locate the folder where your EML files are stored on your computer. Next, simply drag and drop the EML files directly into your Outlook inbox or any folder you prefer. This works for most desktop versions and instantly convert them into readable email items. If drag and drop doesn't work, open Outlook, create or select a folder, then go back to your EML file location. Right-click each file, choose Open With, and select Outlook. This will automatically import and save the email inside your account. For bulk imports, you can also drag multiple EML files at once into a folder to speed things up. Make sure you check that all emails appear correctly, including attachments and formatting.